Going to show you another video. We had a real good video. We actually, it's kind of a throwback. We did a training here, I'm going to say 3 months ago. And Sam Hunt, he just did he was such a great host, and he's just a good guy, incredible concrete guy. And so we did a training at his place, and of course we did the big grotto and the tube slide. We hadn't done that in a long time, and kind of like I've done it a few times, but very seldom. You don't see those too many. So I'm going to show you this. It's kind of the log slide coming in really nice. Did a retainer wall in the back. It was a great class. Man, he treated us like kings. Want to show you what kind of what took place, how we did the first. I think it was only about 4 days, but I tell you what, it was 3 days actual training. But the pillars and everything we did really quick. We did the wall in 1 day, so it went together pretty quick. Check it out.